Okay. Um. So I just found out some bad news, which I already knew anyway. That I had a feeling there was a memory leak in Kernel 4.18.x, being that you running the rtl8723be Wi-Fi driver. I think that's on the HP, but it's a real tech driver. If you are like, here's my internal Wi-Fi driver. I'm an adapter. As you can see, get a better view. Okay. Alright. As you can see, I'm only getting one network. It's not supposed to say good. I'm right by my router. It's a couple of feet inches away. So about less than 60 inches away. But on this one, I get nothing. With this one, and with this one, I get USB Wi-Fi. I get good. It's like fluctuating. I get a really stable connection with this, with my USB Wi-Fi adapter, which is a D-Link A60. It's really old. But I like every time, cause I had right now my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is not working out of the box right now. And on Ubuntu, it does work, but it has a huge memory leak, which is described on here. Okay. Okay, it says I just built a 4.18.9 turbo, which I don't want to do, and built that kernel, no memory leaks. So I take it 4.8, I don't know, but it works for him. Yeah, it could be the Realtek driver or another module. Yeah, they don't know neither. So what I take it is the Wi-Fi driver is producing a memory buffer. Yeah, 4.19 still have the leak. So I don't know what's going on. I think the reason why Linux Mint, if he ever install Linux Mint out of the box, it goes up to 4.15. Hold on. yeah, it goes up to this kernel 4.15.0-46. I had a low latency version of that kernel. I'm sure the developers of the kernel has a note saying that it has a memory leak on the Realtek driver, and so yeah, what I'm taking from it is that the driver is producing a network buffer that producing a network buffer that that causes the system to basically freak out. I mean, my system was working fine, flawlessly, with no, because I have audio stuttering, so that fixed that, and my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth was working. So I was able to browse the internet, make some music, and when I was making a beat, it kept getting slow when I was opening programs. And I'm sitting at on like 20. See, this is how it should be. Like, I was getting like 60, 70, 80. I was sitting at least like a good 80%, just with like Firefox, my music program. Those are the only two programs that I usually run, and I was sitting at a good 80%, 75%, and everything works. Hardware acceleration. What else? Audio is working, but stuttering. My only concern is my wireless card. So, the Realtek driver is producing a network buffer that fixes out the system. And so it's a module issue, which I already knew that. So, let me see. Okay. Yeah, I do not want to break my system doing anything. What's been accepted? Hold up. Are they gonna fix it? Alright, looks like I hope this thing gets fixed. Cause what Linux meant. God, why I can't freaking type today? What Linux meant, you can just go to the update manager. Come on! Hurry up! Thank you. Alright, go to the. You can see what I'm doing. Takes a while. Turning unusually long. And another thing about this hardware, I cannot seem to screen record at a full 30 FPS. So this is a kernel I'm having problems with. This is a series that they're talking about on this comment post website. I don't know. I can't really. I'm really hungry. Alright, so I installed this a few days after I got the system where manipulated how I want it. Got all my settings in, playing around with the system, seeing if my hardware works on the latest kernel. It does, but there's an issue, a bug. There's a memory leak. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything is working on this series. I tried this 15, I tried 14. Well, I only tried 15 and I gave up. So it's a major issue. It's confirmed. If you're wanting the Realtek rtl8723be on Ubuntu 1804, you may notice your system start to. I mean, if you got like 32 gigs, you should be fine. You should be fine. At least 16 gigs, or even I said 8 gigs, you should be fine with memory leak. I mean, you won't get the memory that you paid for, but you get more than 10% of your memory. I don't know if this video made sense to do, but hell, I'm posting it anyway, so posted it anyway. Alright, so thanks for watching. Have a good day.